Morning, guys. Off we go to pack our luggage. It's been raining like hell, and gonna be a bit of a challenge. So, need your best wishes. And we are off. Last time while we are going towards Mampu, we had missed this particular exit that we are going to take now. বাইকে প্রবলেম দিচ্ছে আমার, দুবার আটকে গেল। Hi guys, this is Shantan. We are right now in the Pishok Mangpur road. My bike is facing a bit of an issue. The check engine light is on. I am feeling a lag, a power lag basically. Just hoping and praying that we get to Siliguri before it needs checking and everything. And also hope the bike does not stall. For now, with all the run-ins, we are cruising in this rain. The road is pretty good. Also, yeah, the anti-fog that I put on my helmet turned out to be pretty useless, as because water seeped into it. So gotta keep that in mind when you are next purchasing a helmet. I am actually facing quite a bit of a power lag. I have to get the bike checked soon when we get back. So as you can see, the rain hasn't let up a bit. Shiliguri is still 70 kilometers away from here. First we'll have to cross Shonada, then to Kashong, via Kashong actually. So we are right now about 3 kilometers away from Shonada. The rain hasn't stopped, but it's a pleasant ride otherwise. Only issue being key, I have to keep my visor open as because the anti-fog I have there on is not functioning. The road has broken up in a bit, and that's because there are puddles all over, so it's masking the visibility. Kichwani. ठीक है बस পায়ে লাগি গাছ ছিল বলে বেঁচে গেছে, গাছ ছিল বলে পাটা বেঁচে গেছে, কোমরে লেগেছে। যেরকম একটু ব্যাক করে আসতে হবে, একদম পড়েছে একটু। বাকিদেরকে পারলে একটু বল। দাঁড়া আমি বলি, কৌস্তভকে দাঁড়াতে বলি।